Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that tutorial token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, tutorial is an AI powered educational tools designed to help people learn about blockchain, cryptocurrency and specifically the BNB chain ecosystem. The first product tutorial agent is a smart tutor that uses artificial intelligence to break down complex topics like setting up to a crypto wallet, trading on a decentralized exchange, or even writing smart contracts into bite-sized, easy to understand lessons. The tutorial token is used to reward users, unlock features, and govern the platform. Tutorial token total supply is 949.99 million and circulating supply is also 949.99 million TUT token. TUT token is listed on MEXC, BingX, LBank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.